always focus on. Let's start off first by looking at Blue Star. Well, summer season is here, at least in the northern part of the country, and mind you, the summer season is actually pulling up pretty fast. So what does it mean for EC sales as far as the company is concerned? Blue Star is the company's focus. We have Mr. B. Tyagarajan, the president Blue Star, joining us from Mumbai. Sir, great having you with us. I think North India completely is now in the middle of the summer season, at least the start of it. Let's talk about the kind of demand projections that we have this time around. What kind of sales do you expect for ACs this year?
Thank you for talking to us. Actually, more than North India, we are seeing secondary sales picking up in Western Maharashtra and Central India. Normally it starts with Kerala, but this time around we are finding Maharashtra and Central India, Madhya Pradesh, secondary movement picking up very well. So as I had mentioned earlier, after 2 years of negative growth, this year the industry expects the market to grow by at least 15%. So anything between 15% to 20% growth we anticipate.
So 15% growth, we talking about volume growth this year?
That is right, over last year.
Okay, what will be the factors? Do you think demand is strong? Because if you look at various demand factors, whether it's consumption patterns, whether it's inflation, none of those have actually seen any easing up as far as the last, I think, 1 or 2 quarters are concerned. So what will be the primary deciders as far as demand is concerned this year?
In terms of usage and attitude, actually the household after the the normal category of white goods, the mixer grinder, refrigerator, and then to a color television. So most households, research reveals they are on the cusp. They are going to be procuring a room air conditioner. The summer also is a driving factor, but irrespective of any of these things, most households are looking forward to buying an air conditioner. So the penetration in the country is just 3%, as against 25% in China, 30% across the globe. The last thing that is making us believe that it is going to take off in a big way is that compare the market size. China market size of 50 million, India is just at 3.4 million. No other category. This kind of a gap is there. And normally we should have been at least around 10 million, which has not happened for quite some time. This is the right time. The next 5 years, we expect the market to open in a big way.
Okay. Where would the industry, which segments would actually see the maximum growth? Because I remember in the past we've spoken about the industry moving away from the window AC segment towards the split AC segment with new Bureau of Energy Efficiency norms coming in from a year from now. What's your thought on the same? Have you completely phased out, or are you going to phase out the window AC segment, focusing primarily on the split AC segment?
Before coming to window AC segment, I will say the split air conditioners will drive the growth, number one. Number two is it is as of now 3-star and 2-star constitute 75% of the market. 5-star air conditioners are 25% market. And it is the tier 3, 4, 5, which are, less than 5 lakh population, that is constituting in India around 41% of the sales. You can imagine what is happening there. Even a tier 5 cities, towns, which are around 300 towns, which are constituting close to 10% of our sales or the industry sales. So therefore, it is across the country, residential market, specifically pronounced demand growth in tier 3, 4, 5 towns, split air conditioner, these are the growth segments, I would say. As far as Blue Star is concerned, we continue to be in window air conditioners. I have a feeling that the percentage of window air conditioners as a part of the total sales is dropping year after year, and by 2015 it will get phased out.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. As the months progress, as intensity of summer picks up, we'll keep getting in touch with you to understand the sales trend. So 15 to 20% kind of growth is what the industry is targeting this year as far as sales is concerned. Let's move on. Let's talk